Hello everyone, and For Women in India is back with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Mathura Rape Case. The Mathura Rape Case in 1972 was a landmark legal case in India that played a significant role in shaping sexual assault laws in the country. On 26 March 1972, a 16-year-old girl, Mathura, was summoned to the police station. She belonged to a tribal community. Her brother had filed a complaint against Ashok, a young man with whom Mathura had moved in and started living together, which was completely common in their tribe. Ashok and his sister had met at the house where she was working as a maid. After a general investigation, the police told Ashok and their family members to go home while Mathura was asked to stay behind. The two policemen then raped Mathura while she was in custody. Seeing that the lights were off and that Mathura was not responding or making any noise, the family members threatened to burn down the police jockey. A case against the two policemen was filed, and when the case reached the Sessions Court, the judge ruled that policemen were not guilty. They went on to state that Mathura was habituated to sexual intercourse and that there was consent involved. The court even went as far as to call her a shocking liar whose testimony was riddled with falsehood and improbabilities. Since Mathura had been living with her lover, the court was blinded by its patriarchal notion of purity and its condemnation of premarital sex. Even though the Bombay High Court later sentenced the guilty to 1 and 5 years imprisonment respectively, it was later reversed by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court stated that there was no evidence of bruises on her body and that she did not raise any alarm while she was being raped. But the civil response to the case was not in tandem with the Supreme Court. Upender Bakshi, Raghunath Kelkar, Lotika Sirkar, Vasudha Dhagmar, professors of law, wrote an open letter to the Supreme Court protesting the concept of consent in the verdict. The most striking lines from the letter are, "Is the taboo against premarital sex so strong as to provide a license to Indian police to rape young girls? The nation rose in anger against the women violated by both her attackers and the law. This gave momentum to several feminist organizations like Saheli in Delhi, and in January 1980, a women's group against rape was formed in India. It was first called Forum Against Rape and was later renamed as Forum Against Oppression of Women. This large-scale opposition and outcry against injustice meted out to rape victims did not change the Supreme Court's verdict on the case. But the widespread protest led to many major legal amendments, a victory of the culmination of the women's movement. The amendments included the following. The burden of proof was shifted from the victim to the accused. The law states that if a woman says that she did not consent to sexual intercourse, she must be considered as she is telling the truth. The amendment also included that all rape trials to be conducted as closed proceedings and banned to identify the victims by their real names. They also added provisions for in-camera trials in rape case. Custodial rape was criminalized, and if guilty, the accused will be awarded 7 years in prison. It further added that a woman cannot be summoned to police station before sunrise and after sunset. Thank you, that's all for the video. Please share your views in the comment section below. If you like our work, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel. If you like our work, please do consider contributing on our Patreon page. The link is in the description box.
Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.